Hi, good morning everybody. So yeah, I'm off to court for what I think is a fairly prosaic phone driving case of a guy leaving, I think, a voicemail on WhatsApp. I don't know why he's taken it to court. There could be any reason. So let's see what happens. I'll update you when I come out. Ciao. Leave me a voicemail, LN12SMO. That is not acceptable, sir.
Thanks.
Alright guys, so I'm out of court. The defendant didn't turn up, so they postponed the case until after lunch. The phone driving by the driver was proved in his absence. The magistrates didn't take any time at all. In fact, they didn't even leave the courtroom to make the decision. It was a pretty obvious bit of video. And the result is that, I should add, he's got 6 points already from 2024 from driving with no insurance. So the 6 points from this mobile phone offence means that he's going to be seen in June next at a specialist disqualifications court, where they will consider disqualifying him from driving. So we don't have any results in terms of fine or anything else, but the matter was found to be proved. I may come for the disqualification hearing, I may not, but I'm not required to be there as far as I know. That'll really be for the driver to set out his own case for any extenuating circumstances or exceptional hardship to avoid a disqualification, and if he doesn't turn up, he may well be disqualified in his absence. All right, have a good day. Ciao.